Hello, Dr.Victor here. Everyone keeps on doing these food challenges. 5,000 calories cheat day, 10,000 calories, 20,000 calories, sweets, processed stuff. But that's easy, that's boring. Anyone can do that. If you're a pimp, an OG, a real-time gangster, how about going for something actually hard? Eating only broccoli for the whole day. 3 meals, only broccoli. Broccoli only, baby, that's it. Steamed, on the pan and in the oven. So watch this whole video to see me suffer and let's see if I can complete this challenge. Eating only broccoli for a whole day. 24 hours, 3 meals of only broccoli, baby. Let's go! I mean, yeah, I like broccoli as much as the next guy. Unless the next guy is this one.
For the next week, I am only gonna be eating broccoli.
I need to eat something, man. I gotta quit the challenge. I literally feel like I'm dying.
Or this guy on Quora that asked if it's okay to eat only broccoli for 1 month.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind?
First meal of the day, guess what it's gonna be? Broccoli. This is steamed broccoli with salt and pepper. It's probably the worst tasting out of all of the meals for today, so it's the first. Wish me luck. It's okay. It's broccoli. I give it a 6. 6 out of 10 for broccoli. Broccoli, more like bro, come and like my recipe. Oh snap! Boom! First meal of the day finished. This beautiful broccoli bowl has disappeared inside my intestines. So that was okay. That was just the first meal. So, see you next meal. Yeah, we all know that broccoli is amazing and a beast, but did you know that it has a compound called sulforaphane, which was found in studies to reduce the risk of cancers, to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, also help with autism and osteoporosis. Also, broccoli was shown to reduce inflammation in certain studies. Tastes like cabbage. Raw broccoli tastes like cabbage. I never tried raw broccoli. It's okay. Now you might be asking me, hey bro, what is the best way of cooking broccoli?
No, thanks.
And according to the studies, steaming is the most healthy way to cook broccoli, because in this way it maintains the most nutrients in broccoli. For instance, when you boil a vegetable, most of the nutrients from the vegetable go inside the liquid in which you boil them. And I don't know about you, but I don't drink my water in which I boiled some vegetables. As you can see, this beautiful broccoli, which is shaped like a tree, is formed of 3 elements: the florets, the leaves, and this bulky stem right here. The stem is actually edible, but almost no one likes to eat the stem. It could be just me going crazy from all that broccoli, but isn't this broccoli looking like it's wanting to kill me? Second meal of the day, you know what it is? Your boy Dr.Victor with another fly broccoli dish. This is oven broccoli, so a different kind of experience. A gastronomical exquisite journey. So I think it's about 1 pound of broccoli right here. I don't know if I'm gonna eat all of this thing, but I'll try. 100 grams of cooked broccoli has all your daily requirements of vitamin C, also vitamin K. It also is high in folate. It has some little amounts of vitamin A. It has some small amounts of potassium, calcium and iron. So broccoli is a powerhouse, but would you want to eat it just broccoli for 1 whole meal? No. But for the whole day? Yeah, it's a blast. This beautiful broccoli has about 35 calories per 100 grams. Has some protein, about 2.5 grams of protein, and 7 grams of carbohydrates, including 3 grams of fiber. So you don't even absorb those grams of fiber, just poop them out. So even less calories actually. I'm feeling okay, but I feel weird. I feel like my blood is slowly turning into broccoli. Please remind me, why am I doing this again? One of the most boring and bland tastes I ever did in my life. Thank God we only have one meal left. But this was so boring and unsatisfying. Like eating cardboard or something without taste. It's a fun challenge and I hope I'm not gonna suffer that much. Plus, this is gonna raise awareness to broccoli and to actually doing healthy food challenges and not just 5,000 calories all you can eat, 10,000 calories unhealthy cheat meal day challenge. Those are easy and unhealthy. How about broccoli? You know, cabbage challenge. All you can eat cabbage throughout the day. Let's see who eats the most pounds of cabbage. Competitive cabbage eating. That could be a thing. I was thinking, am I allowed to eat mustard or some olive oil on it? But then I thought, hey, bro, that's cheating. No, we're going full-blown broccoli, salt and pepper. Third meal and final meal of the day. Guess what it is? It's pan fried broccoli, but without oil. Just broccoli and that. With some salt and pepper. So, if I'm honest with you, my broccoli level is right here. I think I'm gonna put broccoli on hold for about a month or two in my life. It looks like something that I would never eat in my life right now after all that broccoli. It looks like something inedible, like a tree that wants to kill me. So there's this guy that actually tried to eat only broccoli for 7 days. Yeah, he failed on the 5th day, but still, how can you eat more than 1 day only broccoli? That's inhumane. What is even life?
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
I am broccoli. We are all broccoli. I think I'm gonna be okay after all that broccoli. Like, yeah, I did read some studies about people turning into broccoli after eating too much broccoli, but that can't be true, right? Also, if you want to join in on the fun, try and eat one whole meal of only broccoli and write in the comments what do you think about that experience. Team Broccoli for the win! It's done. Finished. I think I ate about 1 kilo, more than 2 pounds of broccoli today. Yeah, I think at least for 1 week I'm not gonna eat broccoli. My body needs a break from broccoli. That's that. Now, health-wise, there's no risks in eating only broccoli. The only risk I see is if you're eating too much in the long term, you can develop goiter, so dysfunction in your thyroid gland, because broccoli is a goitrogen, so it can block the reabsorption of iodine in your intestines, and iodine is needed for your thyroid hormones production. But you would have to eat like enormous quantities and in the long term, I think. Yeah, I ate all that broccoli and won the challenge, but why do I feel like I lost?
It's because your mind is slowly being corrupted by the broccoli sprouts.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. I think the broccoli is communicating with me. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe if you did. It helps growing the channel. And we'll see each other next time. I hope I'm gonna still be alive and the same person. Salut!